Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to show slicer in 3 columns. Here is a employees records and I want to add the slicer through pivot table. How can we insert the slicer in quick way? Just click in your data first and go to the insert and click pivot table. And I want a new worksheet, just click OK. Here is a pivot table options. Now drag the employee's name into the rows, it will display all the employees' name, and drag the salary into the sum values, it will display all the salaries. Now I want to add the slicer in quick way. Here is a designation. I want a designation slicer. Just right click here and click add as a slicer. It will display the slicer. Now I want this slicer in 3 columns. Just click here and go to the option. Here you will find the option columns. By default it's a 1. Now increase the value into 3. Now it will display in 3 columns. You can see here. Now I want to format this slicer. Just here is the option here, slicer style. Just click here and select the light green. If I click accountant, it will display all the accountant record. If I click export officer, it will display all the records of export officer. If I click manager, it will display all the manager records. If I click clear, it will clear the filter and display all the records. That's way you can insert the 3 column slicer in very simple way. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.